Do you remember the first time you put on earbuds? Maybe it was to listen to your favorite music, block out the noise around you, or just escape into your own world. Now, TWS earbuds have always been about sound, but over time they have become something more, and Apple seems to be at the forefront of this innovation. The company has launched the AirPods Pro 3, the next generation of its already reliable and popular earphones. AirPods Pro 3 are priced at Rs 25,900 with pre-orders already live, while they hit the stores on September 19. Apple's latest AirPods Pro 3 are not just about listening, they are about living better. From workouts to conversation across languages, the new AirPods can be a convenient companion. Now let's check out the key things that you should know about the newly launched AirPods Pro 3. The AirPods Pro 3 features a brand new design which is refined from over 10,000 ear scans. They're smaller, lighter, and fit more securely than ever. With 5 ear tip sizes, including a new XXS size, they offer a snug fit for more ear types. The new foam-infused tips also improved passive noise isolation, and with IP57 sweat and water resistance, they are ready for workouts, runs, and even a little rain. The sound upgrade in this model is massive. Apple's new acoustic architecture delivers richer bass, clearer vocals, and a wider soundstage. With adaptive EQ, every track feels more alive. But the real magic is in noise control. AirPods Pro 3 brings the world's best in-ear ANC, 2x better than the Pro 2 and 4x stronger than the original Pros. Whether on a flight, in the gym, or at a cafe, the outside world just fades away. और हाँ, म्यूजिक सुनना अब और भी मजेदार हो गया है. For the first time, AirPods can also track your heart rate. Using a custom PPG sensor and AI models, AirPods Pro 3 sync with the fitness app to log workouts, calories, and milestones. With support for over 50 workout types, they also bring Workout Buddy, an AI-powered motivator that gives real-time coaching and encouragement right in your ears. With ANC on, AirPods Pro 3 earphones deliver up to 8 hours of music, which is a 33% boost over the previous generation. With the charging case, you get a full day of listening, मतलब एक बार चार्ज करो और दिन भर म्यूजिक चलता रहेगा. Now another game changer is the live translation feature. Imagine meeting someone who speaks a different language. With AirPods Pro 3, you can now translate conversations in real time with transcription on your iPhone screen. It will support English, French, German, Portuguese, and Spanish, with additional languages such as Japanese, Korean, and Chinese coming very soon. So whether you want the ultimate noise cancellation, a perfect workout companion, or earphones that can help you break language barriers, the AirPods Pro 3 are built for it all. तो आपको कैसा लगा ये अपग्रेड? कमेंट में हमें ज़रूर बताइए, और हाँ, वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.